Oh, Jesus, I can see this in VR now. Oh, that's just weird. Okay. Remy, you still in there? Hmm. There. Oh, there. Oh. Wait, wait. Whoa, what? My hands can... Oh, look at them. They do things. Haha. You lost the game. Okay. Yeah. Eh. Eh. Yeah, okay. Let's take a look what we got for options here. VR settings. Seated mode. Hey, let's try it. On. Apply. Ah, I'm so tall while I'm sitting. Oh, this feels weird. Okay. Let's see. Yeah. Yeah, my hand, when you're carrying something, your hand really doesn't want to move away. I guess that's just something else. Oh, that's just... Hit. Look at that. I don't have to juggle them anymore. I can just switch. Yeah, okay. That's cool. Teleport grab. Oh, maybe that'll help. Apply that. Where'd you go, Mr. Flashlight? You were just here. Oh, there's that. Yeah, there's the flashlight. Yo! Okay. Again, though, you know, I think I prefer standing up and reaching for things. I don't know. It just seems weird to do it that way. I hear stepping noises, which leads me to believe that I'm doing that thing that characters sometimes do in the thing, where they're, like, standing in a spot, but their feet are moving. I don't want to do that. Oh, apparently I look a little different now. Ah! Why is my belt all the way over here? That's weird. I guess that's a seated mode thing. Ugh. Stop non-stop walking noises, please. That's really obnoxious. Ghosts are gonna find me if it does that. Oh, boy. Alright. I just want to find out if I can still hide behind the car. I'm by myself. I'm gonna do intermediate. Oh, it's so not normal to see this. Oh. Oh. Hello. That's a little easier than just grabbing for the frickin' sleeve, I guess. But do I still grab the book the other way? Oh no, the ghost hunting book's here. Oh, weird. Dude, I can't stop walking, apparently. Emma Craft. Everything's a lot clearer and easier to read now. That's cool. Well, the house isn't any more detailed than it was before, really, but it is pretty decent looking. Let's see. What the hell are these things? Oh my god. So these are sound sensors, huh? Alright. Wait. Oh, there's little things will appear now. But will they appear for me? That's... Oh, that's a pain. I don't know, man. This... I'm not sure I'm down with this. I might get used to it, but... Jeez, that's really... Okay, there we go. Yeah, this... Oh my god. Grabbing things is going to be an all-new challenge, isn't it? When I'm not setting fire to all my shit. Ugh. So the ghost probably can't hear me. Stands to reason. Let's might as well start setting these up. Alright, I'm gonna put you here. There you go. And, put you... Oh. Here. Go. Something blew my candle out. May have been something that was up here. Who knows? Either way, it's a little spoopy. So I'm gonna go back out and relight my freaking candle. Since this ghost is clearly a dick. Here we go. And, Oh, one of those. There we go. Yeah, I may not use that particular function. All right. Oh. Shower. All right. Maybe in here. Didn't touch anything, bruh? No? Okay. Alright, let's take a look at this. What's going on with my sanity here? Huh. That's cool. I wonder why it's red. That seems like it'd be the more dangerous thing. Huh. Alright. Yeah, it's in the garage. Alright. Yeah, that ain't gonna do me any good, is it? Sound. But can I... Yeah. I see, it's just telling me that I probably could if I wanted to. Can I turn it off? Uh-uh. I don't think it's gonna let me. It doesn't... Huh. Hey guys, you got a flaw. You out here? Alright. Yeah, this might be troublesome. Oh! Do the sound sensors need to be turned on or something? You'd think it'd be picking up noise in one of those rooms. I don't know. Something's up. Alright, I'm not getting anything there. I'd love for the walking sound to stop. That's really obnoxious, guys. Oh! Alright. Let's go take a little walk, shall we? Turn on the power and see if I can... No. There we go. No. Oh boy. I get the feeling this is not going to be as easy to deal with as I thought it would. Alright. Can I get in? Can I get... Oh no! Oh no, I can't squeeze in anymore. Oh. If the ghost hunts, it's gonna get me. Yep. So it is. Knew they'd have to take that glitch out eventually. He hasn't touched anything, has he? Other than the... Oh, we got freezing temps. Yeah, he's slapping doors around out here, huh? What'd you touch? I heard a door close. No, bird, that... No! There's just no way to turn off the damn water. Oh, I hate it. Wait, did I see a thing? Waving my hand around magically, trying to get a thing to appear. Nope. Oh, there it goes again. I keep seeing like it's like a little circle in the middle. What? Ah! I'm being tormented. Okay, so he's out here too. Definitely getting freezing temps. Freezing temps all over the board. Oh. I don't know, man. I'm definitely not playing any more sitting down because that oh wow, this is just a pain. I don't know. Can I even like? I wonder if I can fix that in here. Options. There we go. Okay. Oh, good. It makes the sound go away. Fucking Christ. Okay. So that's a little better, I guess. I don't know. How do I attach this now? Oh. Okay. You just kind of mash it onto the... It's facing the wrong way. Why is it like this? I don't know. I just want to... Please, just turn the water off. Oh, it's driving me insane. Oh. Sounds like 2 showers. Is this one too? It is. Look at you, you watery bastard. Oh no, I'm in the shower. Oh man. Oh God. What the hell just happened? Your hands got so big. And there's a dead me, stuck in the shower.